In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Calendly API key in just 5 minutes. This process is essential for integrating Calendly with other apps and services that you might be using. So stick around, and we'll walk through it together step by step. First, you'll need to log in to your Calendly account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one and sign in. Once you're logged in, head over to the dashboard where you'll find various options for managing your scheduling preferences and account settings. This is the starting point for accessing your API key. Once you're on the dashboard, look around for the Integrations and Apps section. It's typically located in the main menu or under a Settings tab. This section is your gateway to connecting Calendly's functionality with other tools you might be using. Click on it to advance to the next area where we'll find more relevant options. Next, within the Integrations and Apps section, you'll want to locate and select an option labeled API and Webhooks, or sometimes it's titled API and Connectors. This is where Calendly provides several options for integrating with other services. Click on this option and you'll be taken to a window specifically for managing API tokens and webhooks that help you connect Calendly with other apps through coding or automation tools. Once you've navigated to the right section, you'll see a button that says Generate New Token, or possibly Get a Token. You'll want to click on this to start the process of creating your API key. Generating a new token is straightforward, but make sure you're ready to name it appropriately in the coming step, as this will help you remember what you intend to use it for later on. After clicking to generate a new token, you will be prompted to provide a name for your token. This naming step is crucial as it helps you manage and organize tokens if you have multiple ones in the future. Consider naming it something descriptive that clearly communicates its intended use, especially if you plan to integrate Calendly with specific apps or projects. Once you've entered a name, click Create Token. With the token generated, the final step is to copy the API key that's been created and make sure you store it securely. This key is sensitive information because it gives access to your Calendly account, allowing authorized applications to interact with it. Be cautious not to share this key publicly. Store it somewhere safe, either in a password manager or another secure location you trust. And there you have it. You have successfully generated and secured your Calendly API key. Remember that keeping your token secure is as critical as the integration itself to protect your account's privacy and data. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you enjoyed the tutorial, feel free to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips and tricks.